Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for, I'm sorry, I keep looking here because I'm so used to the camera being horizontal, vertical, so now I turn it horizontal. I keep looking here. I'm supposed to look here. Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. Scorpio, today is the 27th of October. It is a birthday day for us to celebrate. So let us just go into your channel song. Trinidad, wrong one. Me want go easy, but you want go hard. Me want pretty car, you want lad. You just want shop, but you I go lose. Me want furniture, you want shoes. Baby, me woulda dey with you, but guess what? It no healthy. Because me know say you couldn't help me. Me want lie down, you want load up. Me don't play that. Why me woulda dey with you, but guess what? It no healthy. Because me know say you couldn't help me. You want be star, but me a observer. You want soul food, me want burger. No make sense, we try, we no compatible. And to how me see things, we no compatible. This will no work out, cause we selective. Why? I'm sorry, Mr. Neil. I never mean for you to see this, Mr. Neil. I never mean for you to see Mr. Neil. Wine. Vanessa Bling. It's today's birthday. We can do what we want to do. It's your day. Wine, Shia, wine. Wine, Shia, wine, Shia, wine. Wine, Mia, wine, Shia, wine. All right, let's go ahead and go into your channel song. Okay, let's go. Maybe this has to do something about you and somebody is not compatible. Somebody won't get it in their head that you're not compatible with them. They're trying to say you'll grow to love me. We can brainwash her. We can teach her how to be a good, well-behaved, trained person. Me getting we not compatible. Me want soulful, you want burger. It don't make sense. We try, we not compatible. And to how me see things, we not compatible. This won't work out, cause me selective. And we have the what? You have no adrenaline, me fear. You might educated, but you know wise. Your eyes on the hype, but mine on the price. Sweetie, very nice body, very nice personality. Coming from a good home. The credit is up, but I can't be with you because it's not healthy. Because I know say, you're not made for me. Alright? You want a different type of lifestyle. I don't want that lifestyle. So we're not compatible, okay? If you want to know more, just ask Google about it. Anyway, we're going on, we're going to your compatibility relationship spread. So maybe that's why Google come in to say that we're not compatible. I want soulful and you want to go eat burger. Me, you want furniture, you want shoes. So we're not compatible. Our chickens, our ducks are not in the same row. Let us go ahead and see what is your compatibility relationship. Here the fuck we go. Here the fuck we go. Your desires is a strength card. So I'm getting a Leo. So I'm getting you want it for work, you want something to be compatible. Maybe you know somebody a long time ago, it's family friend, high school sweetheart. I'm getting you tried, you broke up, you came back again, you try again, and I'm getting the reason why you broke up from you guys were younger, it's coming back around. I'm getting strength. I'm getting you know something not gonna last, but you're trying to make it work. Who does? Wendy Williams tried to make it work too. And Kevin fucked another bitch on her. Anyways, let's go. Let's see what their desires is. The 6 of Wands, exactly. Them want hype up, you lay back. Them want load up, you don't play that. Me getting your partner, them want out, them want people see them want post picture on Facebook, them want live this fast life. They want burger instead of soul food. They want shoes instead of furniture. They want to be the star instead of the observer, you understand? Me getting a so you stay, you're very humble. Leo, you might be dealing with a Sagittarius or somebody who have a Sagittarius placement. Me getting the person you deal with, a beer go out. Every minute them want you go out, spend money. I get you don't even have the money to spend, but because they want to look like, me getting something compatible. Somebody too hype and you laid back. Them want to go out, you don't play that. Okay? Let's see what the theme is. The theme is the King of Swords. Yeah, you need somebody to actually think about what them want. Somebody's with you, them want to go out, have fun, somebody's out for the fast life. Me getting in, you're saying to somebody, you need to think about it. How much money are we spending today? How much money are you going to need tomorrow? Where you think the money will come from? You know how much savings I have? Me getting the theme is the King of Swords. So me don't know if you have planned to marry somebody. Me getting before you marry them, you're stressed out about money. Because apparently them think that you're going to spend this lifestyle on them that you never promised them to spend. So me getting now, you're looking to paperwork, because the theme is a marriage, the theme is documents. So you need to know where you do before you end up signing and go down that aisle, okay? But also was hearing last night, somebody's waiting on you to get your green card, or something about you're eligible to apply for a green card, or somebody will wait on you to get your green card, because they want you to marry them and sponsor them. The King of Swords, you need to know where you do. Because I'm getting if somebody all about going out and flashy and who will see them out with you, the marriage not gonna work, especially when you don't have no money and I don't feel like you're a rich person. The challenges you're having in the relationship is a 9 of Cups. Yeah, me getting anybody anything where them want, you give them. So you could also be spending a lot of money on alcohol or drinks. You work at a bar. Or me getting somebody keep a cup at your workplace and they want to sit down there, they want everybody to know say them are your boyfriend and them a drink at your workplace and you're telling them you cannot do this here. You can't come at my workplace, come and try to look fans or try to look company. You need to go somewhere else with that. Your challenge is either the drinking or your challenge is me getting if you don't get the man what he want, then the man give silent treatment or the man say whatever the fuck him say. I don't know. I'm getting this is a woman trying to support a man. Scorpio, I don't know if this is you. Alright, your emotional compatibility is the Ace of Cups. I'm getting both of y'all like each other though. I'm guessing he likes that you give him what he wants and you don't tell him no. And you like the fact that he rewards you. I'm hoping it's not just with sex. But this is the emotional compatibility. Both of y'all are attracted to each other. It's not like this man don't like you, not you. But just because I like you don't mean I'm not using you. Your physical compatibility is a 10 of Swords. Me getting him is not attracted to you. Okay? Him like you, maybe because you pay for stuff for him, maybe because you promise him an opportunity, Scorpio. Me getting him though physically attracted to you. You're not his type. Or I'm getting if he's with you now, if another girl come around, maybe she darker, maybe she lighter, he would left you at a drop of a fucking pin. So again, you plan to marry somebody, you plan to give them something, give them a wish. My wish is to be an American citizen. If you're planning to do that, you need to be careful because I'm getting the person is not attracted to you. I'm not telling you this. I don't know if you lose weight, you gain weight, they're not attracted to you. You hear me tell you? They're not attracted, they're using for your money. They're not attracted to you. You get me? Great. On social media, the girls, the man them look on is not girls like you. I hope you know this. Great. So you can convince yourself. What is the mental compatibility? It is a Knight of Swords. I'm getting you're going to start okay. So mentally both on the witty, both on the get each other's joke on the quick witted. The only issue I see here is one, the man look like him want vacation, him don't want actually have responsibilities. Because I'm getting everything is fun when you are grant him the wish. But when him have to go work him ass off to give you back what you ask him for, him going to tell you that it was supposed to be done in good deed. So the only thing we're seeing here of the compatibility is him not. Ace of Cups is just, I like you. Ace of Cups, anybody can ask for your number with Ace of Cups. Me kind of getting someone's taking advantage of you. I don't know if you were with this person a long time ago. Or I don't know if you're lonely. I'm getting since you've been with this person, the person that claim you, they might put up on social media, they might give you all this praise. I'm getting, and the first you ever feel that way, but I'm getting the man that manipulate you. He might use it for your money, he's not sexually attracted to you, he will have sex with you, because you pay for things, no. But I'm getting him though sexually attracted to you. There's something about him not attracted to, and he won't tell you. So I don't know if I need to inquire about it. him can choke up on him more so you can catch him in a lie, or you better just take the intuition that you have and you just say, yeah, this won't work, yeah, just sit him down and say to him, it's all you have to do, it's not hard. Sit him down and say to him, if I find out saying you're sexually compatible with me, or you don't attracted to me. So just say, baby, you know, say me I think about if I forget the green card or not, but here what me at 3. You want go easy, but me want go hard. You want pretty car, me want lad. You just want shop, but you I go lose. Me want furniture, you want shoes. Baby, me woulda there with you, but guess what? It not healthy. Because me know say you wouldn't help me. You want hype up, me lay back. You want load up, me don't play that. Why me woulda there with you, but guess what? It not healthy. Because me know say you couldn't help me. You want me star but me a observer. You want soul food, you want burger. Make sense, we try we not compatible anti-up. Where the parts there? Where the police there? Officer! 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 I'm gonna leave it here, bye.